from 500,000 to over 1.5 million. It is even worse for those flying to India, South Africa, and other countries. It is for sure beyond the reach for the families at the bottom of the socio-economic pyramid. This has sunk and locked families in poverty as others call for contributions and harambes from friends. The World Health Organization has established that 9 out of 10 children born with congenital disorder are in low and middle income countries. Dear runners, that is why the current hospital heart run has become a symbol of compassion, resilience, and hope for children and families affected by congenital and rheumatic heart diseases. As we celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Heart to Heart Foundation, we recognize that hope has been restored to over 400 beneficiaries and their families. I therefore express my deepest gratitude to the current hospital and the Heart to Heart Foundation for the utmost dedication to this noble cause of giving our children a second chance. The current hospital has led by example. I challenge the other hospitals and medical stakeholders to emulate this initiative, which in the long run will complement the government's effort of providing quality health care to our people. Dear runners, as we embark on this year's heart run, we are collectively determined to make a mark in every child's heart through the funds raised. That is how we'll build a society where no child suffers for lack of access to quality health care. The Kenya Kwanza administration under President William Ruto is implementing reforms in the health sector, specifically the National Hospital Insurance Fund. We are determined to increase access to quality health care and reduce the burden of our people, especially the vulnerable. In conclusion, I thank Kenyans